Do you want to search for specific comments on YouTube using Windows 11 or Mac? In this video, we'll show you exactly how. Let's jump right in. Firstly, you can search for comments using the Comment History feature. Open your preferred web browser on either Mac or Windows and navigate to YouTube. Then, click on the hamburger icon located at the upper left corner to reveal the left sidebar and select History. Within the Manage All History section, click on Comments, which will redirect you to Google's My Activity page. Once you've located the relevant comment, you can proceed to edit it or, if necessary, delete it directly on YouTube. Alternatively, your browser provides a convenient method to search for specific words or phrases within the page. To do so, begin by opening YouTube in your preferred browser. On Windows, use the shortcut Ctrl and F to access the search bar, while on Mac, use Command F. Enter the relevant word or phrase into the search bar and press Enter. You can then navigate through the matching comments using the provided up and down arrows. For answers to all your tech questions, subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our videos tailored just for you.